Assam state has one of the highest rates of child marriage in India. Nearly 1 in 6 women here have had children when they were just teenagers.
Child marriages across the state.
Child marriages take place in India.
Largest child brides in the world.
Child marriage.
Child marriage.
Child marriage.
बाल विवाह के बाल विवाह
बाल विवाह बाल विवाह
बाल विवाह.
Child marriage is a deep-rooted social evil in India. In spite of a multitude of stringent laws and rigorous efforts to enforce them, the complexity of the issue makes it difficult to curb it overnight. However, change can come about slowly if small steps are taken by individuals, communities, and non-governmental organizations. Previous campaigns have focused on educating the parents and providing overnight solutions to a century-old social custom. In India, marriages happen not between two individuals or two families, but between two communities. And while allyship is expected to come from close quarters of the victim, we wanted to ignite action among the bystanders in these communities, to encourage them to take a stand and put an end to the practice of child marriage.
ना हम सिएंगे, ना किसी को सीने देंगे.
And thus, I will not participate and I will not let anyone participate became a slogan for millions of Indians, igniting a newfound courage to stand up against the evil. A tangible call to action to reach out to Childline 1098 was ingrained in the communication.
So the film caught on to public imagination quite organically, and within a week we had millions of views.
From being screened at tribal schools to UNICEF meetings, the offline impact of this film was at par with the lives we touched online. People started to find the courage to open up in our comment section. One such comment reiterated the power of this campaign. This is just the beginning. A mass movement has gained voice in India, and it will not be silenced this time.